Did you know people are shaving down 60% of their teeth in order to get the perfect smile? This TikTok trend sees people flocking to dentists to improve their pearly whites by replacing their teeth with veneers. But wait, there's a catch. Those veneers aren't even real. They're actually crowns. Veneers just cover the front of your tooth, but crowns cover it all, meaning your real teeth will look like this when the procedure is over. Yeah, and the nightmare doesn't stop there. 1 in 4 crown treatments results in a root canal. Shaving your teeth is just one of the nasty things you can expect when you hop on the veneer trend, but that's not even the worst of it. In this episode, we're spilling all the nasty side effects of the veneer trend and showing you how to survive if your trip to the dentist goes wrong. Here's the thing. Once you lose your natural tooth structure, there's no going back. So it's vital that you choose a dentist with the skills and expertise to do the job right. Beware of inexperienced dentists. They put your nerves and teeth at risk. But just how damaging can swapping your teeth for crowns be? Your teeth are made of enamel on the surface, but underneath lies the dentine, a softer mineral connecting to the pulp, containing nerves and blood supply. This is where things can get painful. When a dentist drills into your tooth to remove enamel, they get closer to the nerve. And to make things worse, the heat from the drill can cause even further damage. And that's just one tooth. Imagine doing it for a whole mouthful. The key is to choose a knowledgeable and skilled dentist to minimize the need for future restorations. Replacements may still be necessary, but a good dentist will help buy you some time. This all sounds terrible, so why are people even doing this? Social media has set the bar high when it comes to beauty standards, especially for younger generations constantly exposed to flawless models and celebrities who can afford lavish cosmetic treatments. But for the rest of us, the pressure to achieve that perfect smile leads to taking shortcuts, like opting for crowns marketed as veneers. Traditional veneers require extensive prep work, including realigning teeth with orthodontic treatment, but crowns promise a quicker fix without the prep. The invasive nature of crowns leaves you vulnerable to sensitivity, pain, and even infection. It's sort of like adding a beautiful facade in front of a condemned building. Sure, it'll look good for a bit, but after a while, things will start falling apart. Protecting your teeth after any treatment that removes part of the natural tooth is crucial. Brush and floss regularly, and cut back on junk foods to minimize the need for repeat treatments, as more and more of your teeth will be removed each time, and that is gonna cost you. A single veneer can cost anywhere from $250 to $1,500, while a crown can range from $1,000 to $3,500. And that's just for one tooth! Did you know that veneers and crowns are semi-permanent and must be replaced every 10 to 15 years? That's a potential $20,000 every decade, not to mention additional expenses for dental work on cavities. On top of making your bank account cry, you'll also pay a physical cost. Each time you replace your crowns, you increase the risk of damaging your teeth beyond repair. By the time you hit 40, you may need to consider getting dentures. So think twice before going for that quick fix smile. Your wallet and your teeth will thank you. Starting to have second thoughts? Is there anything else you can do instead of these fake veneers? Well, most dentists recommend starting with the ABC method. That's a fancy dentist acronym for aligning, bleaching, and correction. With the ABC method, you're putting your oral health first. By aligning your teeth, you're ensuring they're in the best possible position to function properly. This step can help prevent any future issues with your bite or jaw. And once your teeth are aligned, bleaching can take your smile to the next level by giving you a brighter, whiter smile. Finally, the correction step is like a finishing touch that addresses any damages or minor issues that need fixing. By following the ABC method, you'll have a healthier, more attractive smile that you can feel confident about. And best of all, you'll be avoiding the risks and long-term costs associated with fake veneers and crowns. Oh, and you don't want to have teeth that make you look like Christopher Walken in Sleepy Hollow. If these procedures make you wince, you haven't seen anything yet. Next, we're taking you into the world of illegal cosmetic surgeries. Is it true people are being injected with cement? Find out here on
Your Body On.